I'm about to shock you guys. So are they ready for this?
Yeah.
Are they ready for this? Okay. Welcome to my channel. Yes. So with me here today, I have Rita, who you might have seen on my most recent post about coming to America. And we're gonna be talking about certain topics I think you will find interesting.
Very.
Okay, so jumping right into it. Recently, I became the topic of office gossip. Why? Because of my hair. So everybody passes by, they're like, oh, what long hair you have. Oh, I'd love to have such long hair. I'd like to see how long your hair is. Can I touch it? Can I do a length check? And I'm like, oh, thank you. Do you get comments like that at work?
No, but we can go into detail about that.
Okay, so I feel awkward because I'm like, okay, thank you, because most of you know. Should I tell them that?
I think you should know. You deserve to know. Your audience deserves to know.
I mean, it is my hair because I paid for it. It's on my head. You can't take it from me. I have my receipt. Okay, so I wear wigs. It's out there. I wear wigs, and most of you who follow me already know this because I mean, it's 2019. Everybody wears wigs, right? Or a form of wigs, I believe, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, everybody at work is like, oh, that's your hair. People are like, oh, that girl has a lot of hair on her head. How does she fit it under a cap? How does she? Because one day she's on this hair, and the next day I see nothing. Like, I thought she had a haircut. But this is a wig, and I'm about to shock you guys. So are they ready for this?
Yeah.
Are they ready for this? I'm sorry. How am I sorry? Okay. Okay. So
Wiggy.
I recently did the big chop
It looks so good.
again.
And to be honest, I joined it too.
Yes. So my secret is out. Yes, we both decided to do the big chop again. That was in July, right? Was it June, July?
You did it end of July, and I did it beginning of August.
Yeah, I mean, why we did it is gonna come in a whole different video, and we're gonna definitely like carry you guys through our journey because I'm so excited. I've cut off 8 years worth of natural hair. I mean, I'm gonna put pictures somewhere up there so you guys can see, but those of you who know me know I had a good head of hair. Yeah, I had good genes, but I also took care of my hair. So, and Rita too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put her picture so you can see she had really good hair as well. So we're just trying to, you know, start the whole process again, and it's gonna be exciting. So since I began my new job, I've been wearing wigs to work. Natural hair rocks. Does this look weird? Yes, it's a wig. So people have been commenting on my hair in the office, and I felt like I found it, I mean, I don't mind it, but people talk about it so much, and I don't know how to go to work like this in this state now. The other day, I told one of my friends, she's white, that, you know, I'm wearing a wig, right? And she was like, no, shut up, you're lying. I was like, I am. Why are you shocked? I didn't think you should be shocked by that. He said, well, it's kind of a culture shock for me. I was like, really? Culture shock that I'm wearing a wig? I mean, oh, I thought it was your hair. I mean, that means the wig was worth it because if you think it's my hair, that means, I mean, the wig is doing what it's meant to be doing, right? So, I mean, and the other day I passed by and the man commented to someone, one of my co-workers, that girl has such big hair. I mean, how does she hide it under this cap? Because some days, when I don't want to wear my wigs, I wear a beanie cap. And then everybody's like, where'd all your hair go? Did you have a haircut? I'm like, yeah, it's somewhere under there. Because I don't want to say, oh, I cut my hair. Oh, I've always been on a haircut, but you guys just didn't know I don't know how they're gonna react to the fact that I'm wearing a wig.
Yeah.
I mean, when you began work, were you did you go in with your hair cut the first day?
So the job that I have, I could wear a wig, but just my goals for cutting my hair was just like building confidence. So I haven't been wearing a wig to work. Everyone was really supportive about my haircut. They really liked it, but I do see some people's reactions to girls getting their like wearing wigs. There's this one coworker I have. She changes her wigs all the time. On her birthday, she changed it in the middle of the day. She came into work with bangs, and then after lunch, she came in with like a middle part, and people were asking her if she cut her bangs off, and just weird questions like
I know,
that.
like, you think people would be used to the fact that, you know, wigs, I mean, it's just surprising.
Yeah, it's true.
Like I said, the other day I wore this cap to work, and a man commented, I didn't hear him, but my friend came and told me that he was asking about your hair. How do I stuff all that hair under that cap? Because one day I'm with my hair, the next day I'm not with my hair. That he thought I had a haircut. Where did the hair come from? And she was laughing because she knew I was wearing a wig, but she didn't want to tell him, of course, because, you know, personal preference. And everybody is just talking about my hair, and I'm like, so how do I show up to work without my hair? Because I want to change my hairstyle. I want a new look, but how do I show up to work now without the wig? What to expect? I mean, I really don't know.
I feel like you might as well just go because they're talking about you anyway. So give them a new topic to talk about. Give them a new thing to talk about. The water cooler. Yeah. What you were saying. Just about that fear of wearing your hair and like people making comments and like changing hairstyles, that's definitely something that's been holding me back. Even though, as I said before, cutting my hair was to build confidence, so wearing my hair short in front of other people was a big thing. I also realized I like changing my hair a lot.
Yes.
And I always have this problem where I don't change my hair as often as I want to. Just so I'm afraid of people make comments, if it doesn't look natural, if the change is too abrupt. But in 2020, I'm not going to do that anymore. I got a bunch of wigs I'm going to wear.
Oh, yeah.
And if people comment, they'll comment. If they have questions, I'll answer them. If they're being rude, I'll just ignore them. Because at the end of the day...
Shut it down.
At the end of the day, it's my hair. So.
Yes, it is. So yeah, that's it. I basically we basically wanted to reveal to you that I had cut my hair and she had cut her hair, so we did, and then definitely we'll be talking about our journey going forward. You know, why did we cut our hair? What we wish we knew before cutting our hair. You know, what you should know before you cut your hair and other things. You know, but yeah, I'm really excited. Yeah, I mean. If not anything else, I get to pour water on my hair every morning. So.
And just walk out the house.
It's not a bad decision at all. Anyway, so any comments, any questions, let us know. And we'll talk to you soon again. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.